The pain was worth it. No longer couch surfing. This is my life. I'm taking it back. My dreams are my aftermath. You can't take that from me. You may have wrecked my soul before, but behind my walls and doors, you can't cause me pain anymore. From no food to sleeping on the floor, I'm taking off. I'm about to soar. You thought I needed you, but you needed me more. But God, yeah, I thank Him for what He did give me. And you know I threw you 150 if your fridge was empty. Even after the pain and all that you did to me, and as you sit there eating the food I gave you, I hope one day you learn to smile and say thank you. Oh, the full feeling is how God repaid you through me. So next time you're sitting there, don't forget to thank me with a good mood. And don't say I'm not a blessing as you chew your food.